Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 100th video. So to celebrate and kick off summer, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some tasty classic whoopie pies. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking. To make the whoopie pies, you'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 egg, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of steaming hot water. To get started, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and set it off to the side. Heading over to your electric mixer, combine the sugar, butter, egg, and vanilla extract, and beat until it's well combined and a pale yellow color. Next, add in the buttermilk and mix. Put your mixer on low speed. Alternate adding the dry ingredients and the hot water, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until the batter is smooth and has a thin cake batter consistency. For easy control and to get a nice shape for the whoopie pies, I used a 2.5-inch circle cutter, dipped it in some of the batter, and marked the sil-mat, creating outlines, spacing them at least 2 inches apart. I placed the batter in a piping bag with a capsule and piped the batter onto the baking sheet. Bake them for about 5 minutes, then allow to cool on the baking sheet before placing them on a cooling rack. Once they have time to cool, it is time to add in the filling. You can fill and decorate your whoopie pies however you like. I'm going with the classic look here with some delicious vanilla marshmallow buttercream. Pipe your buttercream onto one of the cakes and carefully place the other on top. Repeat the process and now you have some delicious whoopie pies for the summer. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the whoopie pies and I hope you did as well. These are great for any pool parties, cookouts, or get-togethers you have going on this summer. Also, I would like to thank you for watching some or all 100 of my videos. There are plenty more to come. If you recreate the Whoopie Pies or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your whoopie pies and happy summer. Bye!